Is Twitter down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Twitter right now because I received a lot of messages from people who are having issues like it's not loading and you're having problems. If you search for Twitter down and then if you go to latest tweets, you will see that many people are complaining with some problems on Twitter right now, like Mohammed, Only God, and so on. So you are not the only one who has problems with Twitter right now, as you can see. To fix this, you should just wait, or you can also uninstall the app and then install it once again and see if it works, log out and then log in and see if it works. But if it doesn't, you just have to wait until they fix it. From what I see, it seems like it's a server problem, so it's from them. If you too are having issues with Twitter right now, you can comment in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.